Hello. This is a different video today. This video is actually explaining the other video that I done in Portuguese. Yeah, I know. I had to do it in Portuguese because it's about bike insurance, but in Brazil. So it has to be in Portuguese, right? But I'm gonna translate it just roughly for you. First, I'm Christine from Chris by Bike. Yes, that's the start of the video. Then I was telling you about bike insurance. I know that a lot of places you don't need a bike insurance because you live in a smaller city, there's no many accidents, or you don't have a very expensive bike. But when you ride in a big city like Rio de Janeiro, Paris, New York, and so on, you do need a bike insurance because there's lots and lots of chance to have an accident. And accidents come when you least expect them. Check it out. Yes. Okay, it wasn't riding my bike. I'll tell you in the end of the video. But they do happen. And when you have a very expensive bike, it's very nice to have insurance for it. But there's a lot of different aspects of insurance. Sometimes you only ride your bicycle in your city. Sometimes you do go overseas for competitions and bike touring, and you do need something to insurance you. The video was about little things that can happen with your bicycle and the benefit of having a broker, an insurance broker. Because if you do have a broker, the company help you sort out what's the best insurance for your bicycle, for the way you use your bicycle. And if something happened to you, yes, sometimes it does happen. I know. I'll tell you. Wait. If something happened to you, they help you to sort it out. They help you talking to the company, the insurance company, get things done faster and help you with the accident or with the robbery or the, things that we don't want them to happen, but they do. And I'll talk about the Domini. Domini is an insurance broker that works in Brazil for over 25 years. No company lasts for 25 years if they aren't the best, the great ones. This video is telling you about this great broker insurance company. Okay. And all the contacts, how you do it. I know it's in Portuguese, so I'm just translating for you. I just remind you that accidents do happen. You have to take care. You have to be aware. Better safe than sorry. If you live in a city that's a big city and you have a very good broker insurance broker company, okay. Contact them. Domini works only in Brazil, but it's good to know, right? Why not? So let me tell you what happened. Nothing to it. It's very small cut. Can you see it? Yeah, it's very small cut. It happened yesterday. I was playing beach tennis and I was getting a ball, but I thought that it was too high and was going outside of the court. So I took my hand in, and because I play tennis, the racket is all the way up there, but the beach tennis, the racket is here. So it did touch a little bit. It opens, got some blood out, but it's fine, it's perfect. But I gotta tell you something. I did have a big accident with my bicycle. Yes, it was several years ago, and I don't know if you can see it. Here it is. There is a titanium plate. Oh, fancy, right? With 6 titanium bolt. Yeah. And I broke 2 ribs and I banged my head. And because I was wearing a helmet, I'm here to talk to you today. So please, please, please wear a helmet. Be safe. Better safe than sorry. Take your time when you're riding your bicycle. Do it safely. And okay, it's just a translate for you because I had to do it in Portuguese, so I don't know. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.